Hello, I'm Kush Parikh.
And I'm Alyssa Freider.
And we're here to help you get your tech on.
A one-stop shop for the latest apps, devices, and computer software, bringing you the current trends in media and technology.
This is Tech On.
In today's episode, we will be talking about the variety of software that are available to you for free as a CSUF student.
Now that's every college student's favorite price, free $99. Not only does CSUF offer many free resources available to students on campus, but many of these resources are available online as well.
CSUF provides students with 15 free software titles that can be downloaded straight to your computer and can be used immediately. The only caveat is that in order to access the software, you must be enrolled at CSUF, so be sure to download them before you graduate.
Some of the software offered to students are Windows 10, Adobe Creative Cloud, Grammarly, Office 365, and Dropbox, and that's only just a handful.
Well, personally, Kush, one of my favorites is the Adobe Creative Cloud. Students receive a license valid for 1 year to Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro, which I love to use to make sleek graphics and edit all of my cool videos. What's your favorite?
My favorite is Grammarly. I know that in college we have a lot of papers to write, but I tend to procrastinate. So when it's time for that last-minute paper, Grammarly saves the day by checking my writing style, spelling, and grammar are polished and professional.
Oh, I could definitely use that, especially since I love using Office 365 for almost everything school-related. The suite comes with Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, which makes writing papers, creating projects, and making spreadsheets so easy. Then, once I'm done creating my documents, I can upload it to Dropbox for Business, which gives students 500 gigabytes of storage for free. Then I can access and share all of my files from any device using the Dropbox app.
Look at you all organized and tech savvy. The Division of Information Technology has also made it super easy to download the software by uploading the directions right on their webpage. All you have to do is choose the software you want, and the instructions are made available to you with just one click.
We encourage all of you to check out the apps, software, and downloading information by going to fullerton.edu/STS. Just select software and you're ready to go from there.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kush Parikh.
And I'm Alyssa Freider. Make sure you tune in next time to get your tech on.